Hello, boys and girls. I hope you all had a great weekend. Today we are going to do some work on our maths. And before we start, I want to make sure that everybody turns their listening ears on. So make sure those listening ears are on. And also make sure that that brain is on as well, because sometimes on a Monday it can be a little bit slow. But we're going to do some work on our maths now, so let's switch on our brains and turn on our listening ears, and we are ready to go. Super. Okay, so we're going to do some work on our numerals and combining numbers to make different numbers. So we can combine two small numbers to make a bigger number. So first, before we do that, let's play a little game. The game we're going to play is one we played last week or the week before. I have a number in my head. I'm going to describe the number and I want you to guess what it is. So the first number, it starts at the top and it goes around and around. So you need to take a little picture in your head of what you think it might look like. It starts at the top and it goes around and around. It's the number 3. Well done. Okay, the next number I have in my head, very, very easy one. This number starts at the top and it goes straight down. Starts at the top and goes straight down. One straight line. You're right, boys and girls, it's the number 1. Starts at the top, straight down. Excellent. Okay, the next number I have in my head, it starts at the top and it goes around and down and then straight across. So it starts at the top, goes around and down, and straight across. What number might that be? It's the number 2. Excellent, boys and girls. Okay, so now that we know all of our numbers, teacher's going to write them here for us so we don't forget. So we have number 1, start at the top and straight down. We have the numeral 2, around and down and straight across, and the numeral 3, around and around. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to play a little game, another little game, and this game is called Tokens in a Box. So here's my little tin box, and it's a little bit noisy, this one, and so this game is really important that everybody is listening really, really carefully, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop my tokens into the box. But you are not going to know how many tokens I've dropped in. That's why you need to, your eyes are going to be closed. That's why you need to be listening really carefully. So we're going to close our eyes. Teacher's going to drop some tokens into the box, and you have to tell me how many I've done. Before we do that, I'll just let you listen out to hear what the sound is going to be like, okay? So this is what the sound is like of the token going into the box. So that's 1, 2. So that's what it sounds like. Okay, let's try it out. I want everybody to close your eyes. Make sure they're closed really, really tight. No peeking. I'm going to drop my tokens in, and I want you to tell me how many tokens are in the box, okay? Everyone eyes closed. Okay, how many tokens are in the box? Keep your eyes closed. 2. Well done. Open your eyes. Excellent. Okay, let's try another one. Close your eyes again and keep them closed this time until the teacher says. Keep your eyes closed. How many tokens are in the box? There's just 1. Excellent. You can open your eyes. There you go. You can see there's 1 token here. Okay, close your eyes again, everybody. Keep your eyes closed. How many tokens are in the box? There is 3. Well done. Open your eyes. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Okay, close your eyes again. Keep your eyes closed. How many tokens are in the box? 1. Super. Everyone open your eyes and have a look. There's 1. Now, boys and girls, what if I was to add in another token? Now how many are there? 1, 2. So I had 1, and I added another 1. So 1 and 1 makes 2. Super. Okay. What if so we have 2 in here. What if I put in another 1 now? Now how many have we got? So we have 2, and we added 1. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 1 make 3. Super. Okay, let's do that again. So let's start off with, oh, sorry, boys and girls, I just dropped something on the ground. 1 token. And this time I'm going to add in 2 tokens. So now we have 1 and 2. And how many does that make all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So it makes 3. Let's see, what else do I have here? I went looking around my house today to see what I could find. And I found some of these little dinky cars. The little dinky cars, everyone knows those. So, if we put 1 dinky car in here and 1 dinky car in here, how many have we got all together? So we have 1 and 1 make 1, 2, make 2. So all together we have 2 dinky cars. Okay, let's see if we have worked these out. If we have 2 in here, so 2, and I'm going to add in another 1 in here. So that's 2 and 1. How many have we got all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 2 and 1 make 3. Does everybody understand that? Let's try it with something else. I'll show you what else I found. On my travels around, I found some apples. Here we go. We have some lovely, delicious apples. So, if I put 1 apple in here, on this side, and I have 1 apple here, how many apples do I have all together? 1, 2. So 1 and 1 make 2. Excellent. And what about if I add 1 in here? So now I have 1 and 2. And how many have I got all together? 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 make 3. Okay. Well done, boys and girls. I know that was a little bit tricky today, and we're going to be doing lots of work on that this week. But in the meantime, I want you to open page 58 of your maths book, and I want you to do all of the combining numbers work on that page. And what we'll do is we will do some more work on this again in the next video. Well done, boys and girls. You did really, really well today.